Now we're going to learn how to write Xavier and Zelma. Xavier is an X, like X-ray. Zelma is Z. Z. Okay. Xavier. Xavier goes up over the mountain, down in the valley. He comes back up to wipe his tracks so no one can follow him. Okay, so X is special because you get to pick up your pen to go back and make that X. Kind of like when you do Isabel and Tony, you have to finish the one stroke in order to lift up your pen to do the dot or the cross. All right, here we go. Remember, blue line on the bottom. Okay, Xavier goes up over the mountain and down in the valley. He doesn't want anyone to find him, so he comes back to wipe his tracks. X. Xavier goes up over the mountain, down in the valley. Doesn't want anyone to find him, so he comes back to wipe out his tracks. X. Here's how we would connect X to L. Larry. Xavier goes up over the mountain, down in the valley. Don't come back. Larry is all the way up, back flip, come back down, and now Xavier comes over and wipes out his tracks. Okay. Here is Zelma. Zelma goes up over the mountain, comes down, stops. She doesn't know which way to go. She jumps down in the hole like Yoda and finds her way out. Okay? So here's Zelma. Zelma goes up over the mountain, stops. Which way do I go? Jumps down in the hole and finds her way out. Zelma goes up over the mountain, lands on her feet. Which way do I go? Jumps down in the hole and finds her way out. Zelma. If we connect Zelma with Xavier, it looks like this. Zelma goes up over the mountain, lands on her feet. She decides to jump in the hole, find her way out. And Xavier goes over the mountain and then comes back and crosses out his tracks. That was all of the hump family that you just learned. They like to go over the mountains. Now, I'll go over each letter one more time with you. Okay? Nancy goes up over the mountain, lands on her feet, and jumps the next mountain. Marty goes up over the mountain, lands on his feet, goes over the next mountain, like Nancy, lands on his feet, and goes over one more mountain. Violet goes up over the mountain, into the valley, jumps up and onto a bridge. Yoda goes up over the mountain, down in the valley, jumps up, falls in a hole and yells to get out. And the last two, Xavier goes up over the mountain, down in the valley, comes back and wipes out his tracks. Zelma goes over the mountain, comes down, stops, decides which way to go, jumps down in the hole, and finds her way out. Have fun with all of these letters plus all of the other ones that you've learned. We only have one more booklet of letters to learn. See you back with the C family.